Happy Saturday. It's November the 5th, 2016. My mom's donkeys will wait forever for that door to open. So today is Adopt the Pace of Nature. Her secret is patience. And that is Ralph Waldo Emerson. So, yeah, they know that that door will eventually open and they will get their treats. So we can learn a lesson from them. So I hope you have a phenomenal rest of your Saturday. Yay for another beautiful day. Happy day today. Wild turkeys, I don't see those in Cali, so I always find my bird.